Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Today we're inside the Spotify Camp Nou once again, taking a fresh look at the latest construction progress across the stadium. And before we move on, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of our daily Camp Nou construction updates. There's a lot happening on site, so let's get straight into it. Our tour begins at the North Goal, where the pace of work remains one of the most intense in the entire stadium. The demolition carried out in previous weeks has created a huge open area, giving engineers the freedom to accelerate reinforcement and foundational tasks. Heavy machinery continues shaping the lower sections, cutting, clearing, and leveling while scaffolding rises further each day. The reorganization of structural beams is especially noticeable here. Forming the underlying framework that will carry future seating tiers, this area is crucial because the North Goal will eventually host one of the redesigned entrances connected directly to the exterior esplanade. Workers are also preparing the bases for upgraded facilities. Every beam placed, every concrete layer poured, reflects the scale and precision behind transforming this historic structure into a safer and far more modern stadium. Moving forward, we arrive at the South Goal, another vital pillar of the Camp Nou's ongoing evolution. Over the past weeks, this section has shown some of the most rapid visual progress, with improved structural alignment and increased activity in vertical construction. This part of the stadium will play a major role in supporting the upgraded upper tiers, making every reinforcement here essential. Large steel components can be seen being positioned and secured, while the concrete grid expands step by step to accommodate future installations. Beneath the surface, key infrastructure is taking shape: electrical pathways, service corridors, and upgraded ventilation systems. And before we continue, if you're enjoying this full tour and want to keep up with every update from the Camp Nou rebuild, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your support helps us bring these daily updates straight to you. Now we head toward the Tribune, the main stand and truly the core of the stadium's identity. Here, the work is among the most technical and delicate, as engineers balance the preservation of historic structure with the integration of new, modern elements. Much of the current focus is on strengthening the columns, slabs, and inner corridors that will connect key areas such as hospitality zones, press facilities, locker rooms, and internal services. Reinforcement of older concrete sections is underway, while utility shafts and access points are carefully laid out. This blend of tradition and innovation makes the Tribune rebuild one of the most complex parts of the project. The changes here might appear slower from the outside, but every adjustment is extremely precise, ensuring that the stand remains both structurally strong. Finally, we make our way to the lateral side, a zone that has seen significant structural action in recent days. New steel reinforcements stretch across the area, and fresh concrete sections are taking shape, giving a clearer hint of the stadium's future exterior form. This side of the stadium is essential for managing the flow of fans on match days, as it connects directly to external walkways and access routes. Construction teams are pushing upward here as well, assembling prefabricated supports and anchoring the lower structural frameworks. As the scaffolding grows and new layers rise, the emerging silhouette reveals how the future 360-degree stadium design will wrap seamlessly around the venue. It's a reminder of how carefully engineered this redevelopment is: modern, efficient, and built to enhance both safety and aesthetics for decades ahead. And that wraps up today's update from the Spotify Camp Nou. If you enjoyed the breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from MegaVerse Builds. Thanks for watching, and as always, Visca Barça.